Welcome, in front of me is the UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know the pattern to, or PIN, password, whatever it is. And as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't actually know it. So, to get started, we'll need to power off the device, so let's hold the power key. Select power off and wait for the device to shut off. And once that has happened, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. I believe I just held it for a little bit too long, so let's try that again. So power key, volume up, and when you see the UMIDIGI logo, just simply let go. There we go. And from here you should see the Android with no command, so to get past this, simply hold the power key, press a volume up once, and this will take you to recovery mode. And in here, you will need to use volume keys to navigate. As you will see, touch doesn't actually work anymore. So using volume keys, scroll down in order to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then confirm it with power key. And again, let's select yes. Power, and you can see that it's right now formatting, and it should give us data wipe complete in a second. There we go, data wipe complete. And now reboot system now is selected by default, so let's press power key once more. There we go, and this will initiate the reboot of the device. Now while it's rebooting, it's going to continue the process in the background, so it will take a little bit longer for the phone to actually turn back on. But once it has, we should be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.